here's how to withdraw money from Coinbase. So of course you need to open your Coinbase app. It won't zoom. So here, for instance, here it is. You should click the send button. After that, you need to select an access to send. For example, is a bank account or e-wallet. Oh, this one is you need to choose a cryptocurrency. So let's say for instance you will choose Bitcoin. Next is you need to enter the phone number or email crypto address of the external wallet, then click continue. After that is you need to enter the amount you want to send of the crypto in your local currency. Let's say for instance it is USD, so you should type in USD, or if it is others, you can type in. Then it will review the security checks before sending, and you should just tap continue. And right here you can review the details, and you can also leave a note to the recipients for the crypto. Well, if you're not sending it to your own wallet for safeguarding. That's it. It will have this notification right here that you have sent a 0.007 BTC or Bitcoin and that it is successfully sent.